Hello my dear students. In this video we will try to understand about electromagnets. Electromagnets are based upon the magnetic effect of current. The magnetic effect of current was first studied by Hans Christian Ørsted. He was the first to establish relationship between electricity and magnetism. According to him, like if we have any current carrying wire, as it can be seen in the diagram also, any current carrying wire will act like a magnet and it will produce the magnetic field around it, and this phenomena is called magnetic effect of current. That means as soon as the current will pass through any wire, then that wire behave like a magnet and will have some magnetic field around it. We can check it by bringing a compass needle as shown in the diagram. That compass needle, when you will bring closer to any current carrying wire in which current is flowing, will show deflection. But as soon as you switch off the current through the circuit and the current stops flowing through the wire, the compass needle will come back to its original position, the north-south direction. Now, this magnetic effect of current we can use to make one or to prepare one electromagnet. This electromagnets, they are a temporary magnets. That means because why it is called a temporary magnet? Because it uses the magnetic effect of current. So, it will behave like a magnet till the moment the current is passing through it, but it will stop behaving like a magnet when you switch off the current. That is why it is called a temporary magnet. To prepare an electromagnet, we require a battery, iron nail and connecting wire. So, when you will arrange this battery, iron nail and a copper wire, the next step is that you will coil around, wrap around the connecting wire or the copper wire around the iron nail. Now, when you are wrapping this around, it can be insulated. You can use the insulated wire or you can remove this plastic insulation and you can directly use the copper wire and you can coil it around this iron nail. Now, the last step is, as you can see, that you have to connect the two open ends of that coiled wire around the nail to the positive and negative terminal of the battery. Now, this is how you have prepared the your electromagnet is ready. Then you will switch on the current. When the battery is connected to these wires, the current will flow through the wire and it will behave like an electromagnet. When our electromagnet is ready, we can check it whether it is behaving like an electromagnet or not by bringing it closer to a magnetic compass, or you can bring a magnetic compass near the electromagnet. As it is shown over here in the video also, that the deflection in the magnetic compass can easily be seen when it is brought near an electromagnet. The other way round is that we can check whether it is behaving like electromagnet or not by bringing it near some iron object. It can be some iron pins or iron needle or maybe a safety pin. Then we can see easily that it is picking up all the iron nails. It shows that it is behaving like a magnet, but it will behave till the moment the current is flowing through the wire. As soon as you switch off it, the iron nails will fall and it will not behave like an electromagnet. Now, the electromagnet strength can be increased by three ways. The first one is we can increase the number of turns of the coil we have put around that iron nail. Second, by increasing the electric current which flows through the coil, by that we can do by increasing the voltage, that means by adding one extra battery or a cell with it. Third is by wrapping the coil around a soft iron core. That means if we include a soft iron core, then we can increase the magnetic strength. So, the three methods are increase the number of turns, increase the amount of current and wrap the coil around a soft iron core. This electromagnet have various applications in our day-to-day life. It has many uses. It is used in electric bells, in loudspeakers, in telephone diaphragms, and it is used in electromagnetic cranes, where these electromagnetic cranes, they are used to lift up some heavy iron materials from the scrap. So that means in the way it is helping us to separate all the iron material, all the magnetic material from all the scraps. So it can be separated from that, all the iron objects. So here is all about electromagnet. I hope that you have understood well. So in this video, what we have gone through is that electromagnet, it is a temporary magnet. It is based on magnetic effect of current. First, Hans Christian Ørsted was the one who established a relationship between electricity and magnetism. To construct electromagnet, we require an iron nail, battery and a wire. We will wrap around the wire around the iron nail and connect it with a battery. It will start behaving like a magnet. The strength of electromagnet can be increased by increasing number of turns, by increasing the amount of electric current, and by introducing some soft iron core like iron nail. It is used in making electric bells, loudspeakers, telephone diaphragms, as well as in electromagnetic cranes. Thank you for watching, students, and keep waiting for the next video. Thank you.